Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a electric wheelchair. This video is sponsored by KERDOM. I want to thank them for sending this over to us and let us check it out. We're going to get it unboxed, see how easy it is to put together, and then we're going to try it out and see how well it works. Stick around. Our charger. Okay, and that bag had a little headlight here. We'll go over that in a moment. Has a toolkit and your user manual. And before I set this thing up, I want to show you, because the angle is probably better right now, has two 250 watt motors. Okay, on your motors right here is your engage and disengage switches. You can push those down and it'll be in a freewheel mode. So if you need to just manually push it around, you'll be able to. You'll have to have those up to operate the wheelchair in the electric mode. Has the anti-tilt wheels. You can adjust these. You pull that pin out and you'll be able to slide this out further or in further, however you need it. Just like so. And it has two 12 amp hour 24 volt batteries. There you go. Plug this into the battery. I'll get the camera up a little closer and you can look down and see what I'm talking about. It does have a 400 pound weight capacity. Right here is where you will charge them. You have two spots like this. Flip them over, plug the charger in. But right here is where this cord that's right here, is where that will plug in. Now, as far as your batteries go, these batteries work individually. So if one battery goes dead, you just unplug it, and then you'll plug it in over on the other side. They are removable, has a clip under here, lift up on it, and that battery will just slide right out. Okay, raise this up, just grab the backrest right there and lift it up. It does have the lock right here. When you get ready to take it down, you just push this handle in, and that will release it. Now we'll take our control arm, and you can put this on either side. If you need it on the other side, you can just pull this around and work that cable around over there. Right now, we're just gonna put it right here. You just take this, slide it over this bar. Work it around like that. Get where you want it. And you just flip that back up and it'll lock it into place. You can adjust it however you need it. If you need it pointing out, in, whatever. And it does have a seat belt. You can tilt this up and get it out of the way, put it down. So I've got this thing charging right now. So while it's charging, I was wanting to go over a couple of things with you. Like show you it's got little pockets right here, one on each side. Has reflectors right there. The front tires measure about 8 inches and the back tires are about 13 inches. And these are rubber tires, so they're going to get a little better traction than just the solid plastic tires. Has a button right here that you can push and lift that up. And we can get into it sideways. The cushions on this chair are really comfortable. Nice and thick and padded. It's a comfortable chair, especially if you had to sit in it for long periods of time. Let's go over the controls over here. Okay, on your controller, you have your power button, your horn button, your speeds. You can slow it down or speed it up. You have your mute button and your SOS button. You turn it on, just push.
Welcome to your electric wheelchair.
There's that. You got your horn. You got your SOS.
Help me.
Just push it and hold it down, and it will continue to say, help me.
Help me. Help me.
So with the mute button on, when you turn it on, it doesn't make a sound. And of course, you got your joystick right here. And you have your power indicator right here, just how much power you have in your batteries. You can speed it up, and it'll indicate it right there. Slow it down. It goes up to 4 miles an hour. Okay, on the bottom of your controller is where you will plug in your light. Just take it, plug it in, and there you go. That's all there is to it. You have your light button right here. You can turn that on and off. You have your USB-A and USB-C ports. You can plug in your cell phone if need be. You can also charge the batteries through the port under the joystick here. I tell you what, I don't really know what it's like to have to spend all your time in a wheelchair, but if I did have to spend all my time in a wheelchair, I would definitely be checking this one out. It is comfortable, it does a fine job, it actually goes pretty fast, you know. You probably, if somebody's walking with you, you're gonna have to slow it down, because you're gonna be passing people up on just regular walking. It'll scoot on down the pathway. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check out this playlist. Maybe something else in there you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.